Hey, what's up guys? This is Terry with Moix RV in Conway, and guys, today we are revealing the all-new Transcend 1. This is Grand Design's new single-axle Transcend lineup that they just released that's under 20 feet, but still holding the same Grand Design quality that y'all came to know and love. Guys, this thing's only 3,500 pounds and under 20 feet long, so it's easily towable, and y'all have got to check this thing out. This specific model that we're checking out today is the 151BH. It's got plenty of room for the entire family. You've got a 60 by 80 queen size bed up front with plenty of underbed storage, a jackknife sofa that does lay down as an extra bed just in case you need it, and then in the back you almost got twin size bunk beds with storage underneath them as well. The bathroom on this coach is actually really big for a coach of this size. You've got a 36-inch shower and a 6-gallon gas electric water heater as well. The kitchen on this 151BH is actually really impressive. You've got a ton of countertop space, perfect for prepping all your meals, a 3.3 cubic foot refrigerator, a Furrion microwave, a 2-burner stovetop, and plenty of storage. This Transcend 151BH is perfect for the family that's just now wanting to enter the camping lifestyle, or great for the family that wants to downsize to something with a smaller footprint without sacrificing the quality and staying with the Grand Design products y'all came to know and love. So y'all have got to come check it out today. 1213 Collier Drive here in Conway.